I'm going to show you how you can make a website for your business with Bolt.new. Before we start, I'm going to need my prompts. I need Canva color palette. This is free, and prompts you can use. At the moment you get 2 million tokens for free, so you can make a website on the free plan. This can change in the future. I'm going to show you how you can make it. First, we're going to Canva because we want to generate the colors for a website. This is optional. This is not necessary, but if you prefer to choose your own colors, you go to canva.com/color palette, or you go to Google and you enter Canva color palette. You don't need an account for Canva, but you can choose to upload an image. Here you can upload an image to try to choose the colors. I choose this one. As you see, we get the colors for the website, and we can copy this to our prompt and give it to Bolt.new. Or we can generate another color palette, and we can explore color combinations. Now we get more color palettes, so we can choose a lot. It's more than 99 pages, and even if we go back to the first page in Canva, we can create a custom color palette, and we can choose which color we want, and it's choose the color and the opposite color, and you can see on the screen what's changing or what the colors are. And you can choose to copy the colors and use it in your design. But for now, I'm going back. I'm going to try one of color palettes. Summer Splash, looking great. I want this one. So I'm going to copy this. The only thing we do is copy. We go into our prompt. We enter primary color. Going back. Secondary color. And the accent color, and we're going for the accent color blue green, and we're going back. So we're going to take this prompt, going to paste in prompt. If you don't have an account, you must make an account, and now it's going to work for us and making our website. So this is great. In the meanwhile, while it's generating our website, we come to make.com, and in this example I'm going to show you how you can get the contact form submissions to make.com. Make.com is a program you can make the automations, and you get 1000 operations a month for free, so you can go a long way with. We're going to do one simple thing, and that's we're going to make a webhook. We're going to webhook, and we're going to make a custom webhook, and now we add it. So we make the name example website, and we click on save, and now we're going to copy address to clipboard because we need the address in our prompt. So we're going to click on OK, and this is everything we do for now. But with this webhook, we can get the submissions of the form, we can get the information in the webhook, and from the webhook we can send it to Gmail or whatever we want, to Google Sheet. So we can do a lot of things in Make. So for this scenario, we'll choose run one, so we can test this later on if the website is ready. And now it's running. We're going back to Bolt to see what it makes for our first prompt. We have a home page. This button is a little bit off, but I think it's the colors I chose. So we have everything. We have client success stories, we have our solutions, we have a call to action, and now we're going to our second prompt, and we need to paste our make.com webhook URL in, and now we're going to select the second prompt part for the layout from the pages, and we're going to give this to Bolt. And now it's working again. So now it's making iterations on the website for the service page, for the about page, and for the contact us page. And if it's made the pages as we want, we're going to give it the last prompt, and in the meanwhile we will test if it sends the information to our make webhook, so we can do something with the customer information we get. Because if customers add information to our form because they want to work with us, we want to get the information. So that's the part that we're going to do when Bolt is ready. And now after the second prompt, we get an error, so we choose attempt fix, so it can work on the fix for the website. Sometimes this happens in Bolt, and it's going to fix the error by itself. It's fixed the error we've got, but now it's messed up the whole page because everything we want, it's on the home page and not in the right sections. So I'm going to tell it to put it in the right sections and not on the home page. We also can refer back to the previous versions. When we go in the prompt section, we go to the last prompt and we choose rollback. But for now, I think everything is on the side, but we must change it to the right sections. So now it was wrong, so I gave the new prompt, create addition, but everything is on the home page. Please put everything on the right pages, service, about, and contact, and keep the home page as it was. Now we're going to enter it, and we see what it's doing now. Okay, now we are right back, and we have a home page with a CTA without the button, client testimonials, why choose me, and we're going to see if we have the right pages. We don't have a service page. Do we have an about page? No, we have an about page. So we don't have the pages, but I think it made the pages. So I gave it again a new prompt. So the service, about, and contact are all the same. Is this a link here, or are this duplicates from the home page? And as you see, it's telling me it's a routing issue. Currently only shows the home component. So it made the pages, but it doesn't link to the right pages. So now it's changing. So it's going to the right pages. Okay, and now it fixed it. And we're going to see that it's really fixed it. So we're going to services. And do we have another page? Yes, we have another page. Do we have an about page? Yes, we have an about page. And do we have a contact page? Yes, we have a contact page. Now we're going to see if the contact page is working. So I fill in the form and we're going to see if it sent the information to our webhook. We're going to send a message. Message sent successfully. And as you see, we have information and make. And yes, it's the right information. We have my name, we have my email, phone number, and a message. So this is great. And now we can do a lot of things with the information. We can use this information in our CRM or that kind of stuff. But for now, we're going back to Bolt and we're going to give it the last prompt. This to optimize the website. And now this was the last prompt, and now the page is optimized for mobile friendly. So we can go to this button and we can see the mobile site, and we see it's aligned. We have a menu. We can go to services. We can go to about, your mission, and that kind of stuff. So I think this is working. This was all on the free plan, as you see. So now we have a fully functional website, and we can deploy it by clicking on deploy, and we can deploy it through Netlify, and it's around $16, and you have your website up and running for 1 year. If you want to get my prompts, or you want to know how you can get the information from Make and send it to email or to Airtable or that kind of stuff, go to my community about AI, AI Jeroen. The link is below the video. And in my community, you learn about AI, the latest AI and AI automations. I would say thank you. Don't forget to smash the like button. Until the next one.